What's up, guys? We're out here in Virginia. Picked up a load, and on the way in I actually ended up getting a flat tire. And after doing a little bit of looking around, I got on the phone with JB Hunt. They asked me if there was any other tires that had issues on the trailer. They saw the trailer number was a little old. I don't know what kind of records they have on it, but asked me if any other tires had any issues. And we decided that 3 of the tires definitely needed to be replaced. So we've got our guy out here. He's been out here for probably about, I don't know, 30 minutes now. He's got all 3 tires off. Valve stems are already done. And this guy's killing it right now. He's definitely getting us out of here as quick as possible. But in the meantime, we kind of just got to sit and hang out. But we get 3 new tires on this trailer. The one that was here, this inside one, completely flat. I had no idea what was wrong with it. It was just, you just touch it and the whole thing just moved back and forth. I actually just asked our guy, and he wasn't too sure why it was flat. He's not really trying to do the science on it right now and figure it out. He's just trying to get up out of here. I guess this other guy here has some stuff he wants done as well. So anyways, we'll be here for the next little while. Hopefully get out of here in about an hour or so, and then we're leaving King William, Virginia, and we're heading down to Douglas, Georgia. And I think this one's paying me $1,400 or $1,500. So it's all right. It's about 9.5 hours of driving, so that's not too bad. Sucks that, you know, I'm still sitting waiting, but that's not too bad. It is what it is. So yeah, we're gonna have about 9.5 hours worth of driving to do, and then after that, I'm just dropping that. I got my family out here on the road with me, my wife and daughter. So we'll be leaving Georgia after we drop this and going straight home, because we have vacation planned. We're flying out on Thursday morning, and we're going out to Aspen, Colorado. I'm gonna take my daughter to see some snow, go hang out. Anniversary is over the weekend, so we're gonna have a good time. Anyways, guys, beautiful day out here though. Check out that sky. Absolutely amazing. All right, I'll see you guys later.